Hey Scrappy fans! Welcome to my very first process video ever. I was so inspired by my new wild hair kit that I decided that I was going to make a process video. So I'm working in my traveler's notebook from a trip that we took to Cancun last spring. And I had already done a bunch of pages. Some of them I actually had done like on the trip and when I got back, and I hadn't worked on it in a while, but these colors in the kit were perfect for this. So I'm playing around right now with this Vicky Bouton watercolor paper from the All Good Things collection called Soul Food. And you can just see little bits of it. I matted the photos with it. I loved just that watercolor look, and I can't wait to use more of it where you can see more of it on another page. And the Island Escape paper from Bella Boulevard had some great strips on it, and this was a page where my daughter and I spent the day just lounging at the beach. So that life is better on the beach strip, I knew I needed to use that. And here I'm looking through, I have a plate with some of the embellishments from the Vicky Bouton die cuts that I got in my wild hair kit, and also a few digital scrapbooking kit pieces that I had cut out before I went on the trip and took with me. So I was looking through those as well. But I picked out this circle journaling spot from the Vicky Bouton die cuts, and then a little flower and a leaf from my digital scrapbooking supplies that I had. And I also have that floral strip from the Island Escape Bella Boulevard paper. I really love that, the colors in that, and I really want to use it on the page. I also have a QR code where I uploaded a video of the fish that we saw in the water, and so I wanted to have a way to include that video on the scrapbook page. So I uploaded it to YouTube and made a QR code with the link, and I'm hoping to put that on the page as well. So I decided to cut that journaling circle in half and use the color part next to one photo, and then leave a space for journaling next to my fish photo. And then I'm kind of struggling with placement. I really want to use that flower strip, but I don't quite know where to put it. I really want that phrase, life is better at the beach, but I don't quite know where to put it. I've got my QR codes, and I printed them in a couple different colors and a couple different sizes. I'm trying to figure out where exactly that needs to go. I don't know if I like the huge one. I think I end up leaning towards the smaller one so it doesn't dominate the page. But I'm really kind of trying to figure out how to make it. It's looking really boxy to me right now, and I'm struggling. I'm moving things around. I don't really know where to put things here. And does that happen to you? Moving things around, not quite sure where to put it. And I'm moving that flower around. I'm trying to figure out how, and something about the fish picture is just because you could barely see the fish there, but it was such a big part of our day at the beach that I really wanted to include it. And, but it's just really boxy. So I pull out my circle punch and I just kind of circle it around the fish. You can't even see the fish in the video, but the fish is there. And then once I did that, it seemed to kind of come together and things fit on the page a little bit better. I like the flow a lot more. So now that I've kind of figured that out, I'm starting to stick things down. And I'm so glad I was able to use that floral strip. I really like that a lot. The colors were just awesome. And then I pull out, this is an LE Studio date stamp. And I pull that out so I can put the date on it, sticking down the journaling spot. And my photo as a circle, I like that a whole lot better. And that arrow is one of the Vicky Bouton die cuts from that kit pointing at my QR code. So I was able to get that in, and it's not, the smaller one worked a whole lot better. So I like that a lot. Sticking down my pictures. It was such a fun, relaxing day at the beach. My husband and my son are not people who like to sit on the beach, so my daughter and I really enjoyed our time to just relax and wade in the water and walk on the sand and look for fish, and it was such a beautiful, relaxing day. just the kind of vacation I like, not to have to tour around and rush from one activity to another, just to be able to sit back, relax, and enjoy the beautiful tropical weather and gorgeous blue, warm water. I'm thinking about that right now. We just got through a nor'easter here in the Northeast, and I could use some of that blue ocean right about now. Oh, these are the Pink Fresh Studio puffy stars that I got in the kit, and I love these, and I'm so excited that it is a giant strip of those stars. I know I'm going to use them a lot. And then I just wanted to fill in some of the spaces, so I'm sprinkling some of these Spiegelmom Scraps sequins around. It's the Sorting Hat collection, and I'm just trying to find little places to sprinkle them. And then the static electricity was just making them stick all over my fingers, so I had to go get my tweezers to help move them around a little bit. And I'm just trying to make them look a little scattered. And then I'm going to grab some glue. My fine line bottle I usually use with sequins, but it keeps clogging up on me. It's driving me bananas. So I just put a spot of glue on a piece of paper, and I'm using my tweezers to dip the sequins in so I can glue them down on my page. And that seems to be working pretty well until I got a little glue on the tweezers, but oh well. I figured it out. I got them there. And there we go. It's all finished. I'm so excited. It's bright and colorful, and I'm super happy with the way it came out. So I hope you enjoyed my very first process video with my March Wild Hare kit. And thanks. I hope you'll check back on my channel again soon. Bye-bye.